In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change the color of events in your iPhone calendar. Changing the color of events can help you better organize and differentiate between different types of activities. To get started, open up the Calendar app on your iPhone, and then tap where it says, Calendars. What you want to do next is find the calendar event for which you want to change the color. After that, tap on the eye icon next to it. And then tap Color. Now you can select any color from these available options. If you can't see the color you like, you can easily select a custom color. Once you've selected a color, go back and tap Done at the top right corner of the screen. Tap Done one more time to exit this. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.